Farmer leaders were scheduled to meet Rahul Gandhi, who have been actually invited by the Congress leader and have been allowed to meet him inside the parliament. Earlier, the farmer leaders have been denied permission to meet Rahul Gandhi inside the parliament. Rahul is meeting 12 Kisan leaders from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. 6 Congress MPs to also be present in the meeting with the farmer leaders. And the farmer leaders have been requested Gandhi to introduce a private member bill. The bill is set to address their long-standing demands on the farm issues. And Gandhi is set to meet leaders from Samyukt Kisan Morcha, that is the SKM, and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha, that is the KMM. And in a recent development, the leaders from these unions have announced protest and to push for the legislation of the minimum support price or the MSP. Remember, this has also created a huge controversy and year-long protest in February 2 years back as well. And now the same issue with the opposition is taking the center stage. The protest will include a long march to support the opposition's private bills. Well, the meeting will be taking place, and as we're given to understand, monsoon session of the parliament is underway. The protest by the Indi bloc MPs and also senior opposition members is also taking place in the parliament. Well, joining me right now on this important story and development is Anand Singh, our correspondent. Anand, the farmer leaders are gearing up to meet Rahul Gandhi and to address their concerns over the long-standing farm issues. What is the latest that we're picking at this moment, and what are the other issues that the meeting will have as the key points?
Yeah, Simran, look, the farmers are still meeting with Rahul Gandhi inside his chamber in the Lok Sabha, and they are discussing all the issues that they have been facing for long after the 3 farm laws were withdrawn by the government, a demand that they were making for the MSP. So this is one of the main demand that they are putting forth with the newly appointed leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. And even earlier in the day, we saw that how when the farmers were not being allowed to enter inside the parliament, it was Rahul Gandhi who said that they are not being allowed and I am going to meet them outside, after which the farmers were allowed. So now the meeting is going on and the farmers are discussing the ways that how their problems will be solved by the Congress leader, who is now the leader of opposition, as he will be instrumental in raising their voice inside the parliament. And this is what we are getting to know as the meeting is still going on. 12 of the farmers from different farmer unions are meeting. It is from SKM, non-political, and KMM, and from the states of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Telangana. So all these farmers are meeting there, and several of the Congress MPs are also present in the meeting, which also includes KC Venugopal, who is the party's General Secretary organization, and former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. So all these leaders are discussing the issues of farmers, as farmers have also earlier said that they are planning to once again hold a protest against the government to push for their demand for the MSP. Back to you, Simran.
Well, Anand, as you have also pointed out and highlighted the fact that apart from Rahul Gandhi, there are other senior Congress leaders that are going to be present in the meeting with the farm leaders. But what importantly we need to understand is about the rally that both the Kisan Union and outfits are going to take on August 15. Is there also going to be a discussion or also some sort of a strategy meet with the opposition, specifically Congress, this point about the rally that's going to take place on Independence Day?
Yeah, look, Simran, even as the meeting is still going on, so as of now we are not getting any update as the farmers are currently meeting. But as the farmers have announced that on August 15 they will be once again holding a protest, so this meeting holds significance because it is the way, because in Haryana the assembly elections will be up and it will be announced after this Lok Sabha budget session. And once the elections are announced, the crucial Haryana elections will take place in the month of September or October. So looking at the elections in these states where the farmers have been having very serious demands with the Haryana government that has been led by the BJP over there, so this hold prominence as what are the plans of the farmers looking ahead and what they are going to do, as they have already announced that on August 15 they will be pushing for another protest and they will be coming to the national capital.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.